Good morning, everyone. And today we'll start parabola, part of conics. Let me draw a parabola first. Parabola is, a curve like this. ठीक है. This is the origin. We draw a directrix. Directrix, basically. Okay, then there is a point on a parabola with f(p) x comma y, which moves such that the distance from the focus, the ratio of this and this point T, ps by pt equals to e. Then the for parabola a is equals to 1. ps equals to pt. Solving equation of directrix is x equals minus a. The focus coordinates are ae comma 0 only. So sorry a comma 0. Solving this, we get y square equals to 4ax. General equation of parabola. Now general point which is taken on parabola is 80 square comma 280. Now we can show this point by satisfying in this equation, this one. So y square equals 2a t whole square equals 4a 80 square. This is 4a square t square equals 4a square t square. This cancel out with this 1 equals to 1. Hence this point satisfy this. This is the journal point. Important form is a journal. Basically parametric form. Now very important as well, this latest rectum is when we draw line this like this and goes on. The line which is passing through focus of the parabola and parallel to the y-axis or directrix, this line which I am shading with red. This is the latest rectum of parabola. Yeah, obviously this length is 2b square by a. Yeah. Now important is that focal length. What is focal length? First of all, we need to understand this. Let me draw parabola first. This focal length is the a line which is passing through the focus, as a comma 0, and this point let it be 81 square comma 281. Here we put t1 because there are other points also like q, 82 square comma 282, right? Understood? Then this is the focal length, this is the focal, focal chord basically, no area, basically focal, it's past focal length. This is a line passing through the focus. This length is PS equals this is the focal length or focal, focal distance or whatever you say. This PS equals, A times 1 plus T square. This is the journal, not T1 T2. This is journal, T1 or T2, whatever you take. PS equals to PT square. Yeah. Now tangent drawn is like, wait, no, I have something told you wrong. I've done a mistake. The latest rectum length is not this one. It's valid for ellipse and the hyperbola. This is 4a. By solve this by putting this y square equals to 4a cross a, because this is the point. This point a, this one point here. Yeah, x coordinate I put in this equation, we get this y coordinate. This is minus 2a comma minus 2a. This is a comma a comma 2a. So length is 4a. Understood? Let me wait for a second. Yeah, do it yourself, the equations and other thing. I will do it later. First important concept of chord of contact. Midpoint is given. Yeah, that I'm taking first. Now COC. We have discussed in previous session that COC is the chord of contact of any curve. The same as that equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. So equation is that 4ax is the equation, we know that. So y1 is 2a x plus x1. I have understood. I have told you this in earlier classes that we have to replace 2x by x plus x1. And yeah, now when midpoint is given as basically, तो उसका क्या करेंगे? तो t equals to s1, we know that for any curve or any satisfy this equation yourself by all. Now equation of a chord joining 2 points in a parabola. Wait for a second. Yeah. So this is the parabola. This is the point A joining this point B. This is a chord with focus S, A, 0. basically this when we join this to the origin is 0 comma 0, and this is understood, this join to this slope of this line is this point B 80 square 1 comma 281 is 2 by t1, and when point P, why is something point P is there, point P and no whatever with the point x and tangent are drawn. Okay, slope of this line is 1 by t1, similarly 1 by t2, and for this I'm shading with red, this is 2 by t2. Slope is used in various questions for solving problem solving questions. So equation of chord joining A and B first of. Now we are writing the equation of chord joining A and B. These are the 2 points parabola. Join this same shading with which I am shading with black. This is we have to write the equation of this line. Understood? Yeah. Understand it carefully. This is the last topic I am taking this for this session. Learn it. This y equals 2 by t1 plus t2 x plus a t1 t2. Yeah, this is the equation. And focal chord is a chord that is passing through the focus, but this is not the focal chord. Focal chord is like this. This is the focal chord. I have made with red, black pen. This is the focal chord. Wait for a second, yeah. Yeah. Now, important concept is that solving this. Now we have this is the equation of the focal chord. Focal chord is a chord, not this. Sorry. This is, I think this is S, which is a comma 0. This is the focal chord as it passes through a comma 0. Pass kar rahe, we know that. So solving this, we get t1 t2 equals -1. This is the relation which you should learn it, because very important problem solving. Now important concept as well that I am first see this. So I will tell you later what to do. I'm, yeah, see this only, this also. When a parabola is there, the from any point P, x, comma, y, y1, this, only three tangent, only three normals can be drawn. So let it be m1, m2, m3. Only m, only three tangent tables, not more than three. This is the basic funda, you can say, concept. Okay, and x1 is always greater than 2. Remember it, learn it. And the y coordinates y1, y2, y3 of this point of intersection of the normal with the parabola y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals to 0. Learn. This is very important also as well. So questions are very easy, tan theta slope वाला लगा के आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं easily. And yeah, the derivative approach on as well to solve other types of questions. So I finished, I stopped early, and the tangent question which I am left with, I will cover it in next session. First give half an hour on this topic, the next one. So let's finish the class. Okay, thank you, good night, bye bye.